Today's video is about how I really got into AI. You're watching this right now if you want to understand how someone gets into tech early and ahead. So I'm gonna walk you through my background, my mindset, and the exact path that I took. Hey execs, it's your boy Trey Cooper, and welcome back to the C-Suites. So before I get too deep into AI, I wanna say this. If you're a young black man and you're watching this right now, and you're into computers, tech, and science, it's okay, it's cool, and you're early. A lot of people think AI just popped up overnight, but AI has been around for a long time. AI didn't just start with ChatGPT. Things like workflow and automations, tools like Zapier and Make, they've been around for years, but people just didn't call it AI yet. What really changed everything was adoption. So around 2021, 2022, when ChatGPT first came out, AI finally went mainstream. And that's when everybody started paying attention. At that point in my life, my mindset was simple. I didn't want to work forever. I wanted to make money and I wanted freedom. I started researching a lot. I went deep into the rabbit holes. I wasn't scrolling for fun, I was scrolling for answers. And I kept asking myself, how do people actually make money online? How do systems work? And how can I get ahead of everybody else? And so that mindset started early for me. I've always been into tech, into science and engineering. I even went to an engineering magnet school in high school. I was one of the few black kids in the classroom. And I also went to Georgia Tech during my junior year of high school for a summer engineering program. And then my senior year, I started doing dual enrollment with Embry-Riddle and taking avionics classes. So early on, my brain was already trained to think in logic and problem solving. And also, that's where coding came into my life. I didn't start coding with anything fancy. I learned Easy C first while I was programming for robotics in high school. Then I moved to C++. And then when I got to college as a freshman, I started learning MATLAB. And then after that, I picked up JSON and Python. And I had the Anaconda environment set up, running labs, testing scripts, breaking things and fixing things. So computers weren't really scary to me. They were just a tool. And all of that background mattered because AI is built on logic. So if this happens, then do that. Inputs, outputs, systems. So when AI showed up, it wasn't just magic to me, it was familiar. And that's why I was able to understand it quicker and adopt it faster. So I found out about ChatGPT super early. I was on Twitter, I think, and just scrolling through, found something about, AI, about ChatGPT, didn't really know too much about it and looked more into it. And so just by following the right people on social media, staying plugged into the conversation is how you could get ahead. And that's something that I still do to this day. Now, I was one of the first million users when ChatGPT dropped. I was even using the beta version before OpenAI released it to everybody. So I've been using ChatGPT for over about 3 years now. And back then, it wasn't trendy, it wasn't viral, it was just a tool that I was using and experimenting with and just having it write papers and do random things, you know what I mean? Once I saw what it could really do, I went deeper. I didn't stop asking questions. I started learning how workflows connect, how automations run, and how voice agents are built, how websites are created, and how apps are developed. I built things, I broke things, I fixed things, and at every level, I unlocked more power. Now we're here. I'm building AI workflows, automations, voice systems, and tools that run in the background. And not because I'm a genius, not because I code all day, but because I stay curious. I have over about 10 years of tech experience total and about 3 years of experience since ChatGPT dropped. Here's what I want you to understand. AI isn't magic, and it's not scary. It's just tools layered on top of logic. And the people who win with AI aren't even the smartest. It's the ones who start early and keep learning and keep showing up. So if you're a young black man watching this and you've been curious about tech, this is your sign. It's cool to be into computers. It's cool to build systems. It's cool to be a little bit different. This channel is going to be about making AI simple. No gatekeeping and no hype. I also stay tapped into what's happening with AI. So if you want up-to-date AI news and breakdowns, make sure you follow me because I'm always sharing what's next. So in the next video, I'm going to be breaking down vibe coding, how it works, and even building a website. That'll be in some later episodes. So what it is, how it works, and how you could use AI without even knowing how to code. So if you're new to AI, don't feel behind. Start asking simple questions, start testing things, just actually get in there and start, using AI. If you want me to break down AI basics, workflows, voice agents, or how I actually use AI every single day, drop it in the comments. So like this video, subscribe, and join the C-Suites Discord. And here at Stay Starving, we have a motto. And if you're a top exec, you already know. Stay locked in, stay curious, and stay starving.